Hi, my name is Penny Handlin. I work at Steerbridge. We do construction as well as we're working on the IWMS systems. Been working with it for that long and enjoying it. I have worked with others, but I'll always come back to this one. First job was working with interior design company, doing the configuration side, and that was building an NFL stadium. Using the asset side for here's this chair type, product number, the manufacturer, where they're buying it from, the product price. That was the first thing that I ever did other than working with the sides in terms of the AutoCAD side of it. So that was the configuration, and I've been in it ever since. It's been fun. You've got the AutoCAD on one side if you like that part. You've got the web piece, if you want to get into that part, your reporting piece, your documenting piece, your database piece, you name it, you can get into it. This is the thing that will never let you get bored. We're looking at taking the space standards. Not a lot of people use the space standards. They've got the space types. But under space standards, there's a little hidden thing for the assets used for that standard. So if you've got a conference room that takes, 8 tables and 15 chairs, you can then take that. How many conference rooms do you have that's that type of layout? Count them up, you got your list of furniture. We were trying to do that with the dorm rooms at a university. It's like, so you have a shared dorm room, 2 people, maybe it's built in. So now you've got your, how many double shared do you have across the university? And now you can count your furniture. So if you got to store it, you know how much you got to do. Client that we've got on, we've got them up and running in a month's time and doing the things that they wanted to do it. So a year later, now they're thinking of, okay, the add-ons that they're trying to get in, the extra pieces that they're looking to do, and that expansion of what the capabilities are. And that is so nice to see when you can get to that point of it. Just go at it. You can do any way on any side. Some minor little configurations and things that you can pull in. Some where you've got to do a little bit of SQL programming, you can teach yourself a little bit. And then if you want to do a little web design, you could do that. And I always try and tell people, if at all possible, get somebody that really likes to get into it. Give yourself somebody that's like your IWMS champion. They love to explore it. They love to see what it can do. They'll give you ideas, or they'll go find ideas. If you dream it up, it can probably figure it out. If you catch the right people, ask the right questions, if you need it, there's some way to work it. And I've never seen it not be able to do it. But if you get the right group of people, or you just are open to asking questions and asking for some help, it really can do a lot.